Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error 0xa0430721 while trying to install Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome on Windows 10, then please go to this article on the Windows Club and scroll down to the path mentioned here. Now, press the Windows key in the R button to open the Run window. Type the command regedit and hit enter to open the registry editor window. Copy the path mentioned here. I'll copy it from the beginning and till the end, and I'll press Ctrl plus copy. Then I'll go to the registry editor, the field mentioned here. I'll paste it. I'll hit enter. It takes me to this key F3C4F ending with A4A. I'll right click on it and select delete and delete this key. Once it is deleted, restart your computer and you will be able to download and install the Microsoft Edge browser once again without facing the error in discussion. But what would you do when you encounter the same error while installing Google Chrome? Then you can use the Google Chrome offline installer setup for the purpose. We have made a separate article and possibly a separate video on the same. So isn't this interesting and easy? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.